Work is assigned to the team, not the person. If we follow this approach, then it looks like the work item is reassigned for the real team to a person plan only team. Am I missing something? This seems like a serious con. So when you're using a team, if you're using teams for the team, then you don't want to use a plan only team, because that will become where you're seeing your capacity. This is an approach that you would do if you need to create work that is with just a specific way of bucketing it and creating that plan, or with that plan only team. So for the approach that I did with the individual, it might not actually apply to how you're doing your capacity planning with your team. Since you're not assigning them to individuals, you're assigning them to teams to work on. If at some point it does get assigned, then you can do that approach.
Real quick, I've implemented Jira for over 200 companies. By far, the number one reason teams reach out to us is because they built what they thought was a great solution, only to realize that nobody actually ended up using it. And if that sounds familiar, that's exactly what we help you fix. We're currently taking on new projects 4 to 6 weeks out. And if you want help implementing Jira in a way that your team will actually use, hit the first link in the description below.